Hi, I'm Llyna Williams and I'm the Senior Wales Recruitment Officer here at Bangor University. When we see applications from students who have studied the Advanced Skills Baccalaureate Wales, we really see a big difference in terms of the content of that application and the strength of it. And we can see that through the three different elements of the qualification. First of all, when you look at the Global Communities project, what we find is these students have a real understanding of the global issues, but not only that, but how they're relevant to them locally and within Wales. And the community action that they get involved in as well really prepares them for university life, because many students will get involved in different volunteering projects and opportunities available to them as a student. So being able to discuss that in the personal statement gives us an insight into what they might be achieving and getting involved in when they're at the university. We can also see a big difference with those that have done the Future Destinations project too, because part of this personal statement is also to explain to us what the career plan is and what students will see themselves doing after completing their course. Now, through getting involved in the Future Destinations project, students studying this qualification have looked much more deeply into the different options they have available and not only research those options but also get a realistic idea of what's important to them in terms of careers in the future. And for us, that makes them a more dedicated, a more motivated and more committed student. And then we see the individual project really making a difference to the personal statement and the application as well. When it comes to the individual project, students get to draw on their own experiences, their own influences, and choose what they want to follow as part of their learning pathway. And this is great in terms of choosing a course in university as well, because if you've already had that experience, you can do that in more detail when making sure you're choosing the right options at university. But within the personal statement as well, we can see an in-depth analysis of a particular topic, evidence-based research. The students have then come to sort of evaluation and sort of looked over and reassessed what they might have done differently. And these are not only valuable skills to demonstrate when it comes to making an application to university, but this really reassures university staff that you will excel in these elements of the course once you arrive at the university.